Hello dear Forex traders, welcome to IFC Markets. You are watching weekly market overview on IFC Markets YouTube channel. Let's start. The Canadian was the best performing currency the previous week, compared to other measures against the US dollar. The loonie strengthened against the greenback by 0.52%, followed by euro and Swiss franc increasing by 0.18% respectively. The Japanese yen, despite itching to new 5-year highs, eventually retraced, closing in negative ground by 0.16% against the US dollar the previous week. Lastly, the British pound lost by 0.35% and the Australian dollar widened its losses by 1.72%. The previous week started with positive data on Chinese trade balance, and that lifted the investors' risk appetite, while Japan's quarterly GDP disappointed market participants. In addition, there are views that Bank of Japan may have to increase its asset purchase program to meet 2% inflation. All that included the USD JPY to begin the previous week with bullish momentum. The FX pair, after a short retracement to support at 100.15 in the midweek, resumed its upside amid US budget deal and increasing speculation that Fed would initiate asset tapering at its next two-day meeting that ends on December 18th. The greenback against the Japanese yen inched to a fresh 5-year high on Friday at 103.98, with weekly technical indicators getting overbought. During the previous week, the US dollar remained strong against currencies that the central bank is expected to continue its accommodative policy, like the Australian dollar. The latter was due to Fed monetary policy tightening expectations. The kangaroo currency was under selling pressure despite improving risk sentiment on Monday and Australian employment increasing more than expected employment on Thursday. The AUD USD was weighted by investor speculation that Reserve Bank of Australia will maintain accommodative policy in order to depreciate its currency. The pair declined at 0.8907 near 3-year throws at 0.8847. We would expect the Australian pair to consolidate above that major support amid oversold technical oscillators. Nonetheless, there is the risk for Fed withdrawal from current $85 billion monthly bond purchases. During Monday, Japan is to release Tenkan Index, then Chinese HSBC Manufacturing Index, while later on Eurozone PMI indicators are eyed, and in the evening US manufacturing indices are in focus. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia is to announce its minutes of the latest meeting. Then UK is to publish CPI followed by German ZEW sentiment. In the evening, US CPI is watched. On Wednesday, Europe's main event is UK employment data. Meanwhile, on the other side of Atlantic, US FOMC statement is the weekly event. On Thursday, we are focusing on UK retail sales and US home sales, as well as on Philadelphia manufacturing. Finally, next Friday, Bank of Japan is to publish its monetary policy. Then UK GDP data are watched, and the week closes with Canadian CPI and retail sales. You are watching weekly market overview on IFC Markets YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us every Tuesday. Goodbye.